It looks amazing. Coming it from Canva, like, feels nice. Doesn't feel that bad, actually. This is really good.
Feels the wizard with the DTF we're minted. Switched up the game from screen, we ain't standing. Transfer superstars with the fabric we imprinted. Transfer superstars,
What's up, superstars? Today we're going to create a personalized bootleg shirt using Canva. Whether you're a pet owner wanting to showcase your furry friend, a fan of bootleg aesthetics and vintage album covers, or a design pro looking to enhance your DTF printing skills, you're in the right place. Create a new design in Canva. Drag and drop the image you want for your design to the canvas and click on Edit Image. Go to Effects panel and click on BG Remover. This will remove the background from the image. Scale and position the image. To scale the image, just click and hold on the anchor point and drag it inward or outward. Add more images to the canvas and repeat the same steps. Once done with the foreground images, we will add additional image. Drag and drop the image to Canva and remove background. Adjust the images to your liking. Click on Position to show the Layers panel and drag that image on top of the bottom layer. Reposition the images if needed. We will add more elements to the design. Drag the image to the canvas and remove background. Scale and position to your liking. To duplicate an image, hold Alt on your keyboard and drag the image to your desired position. Go to Position and drag the layer to the bottom. Let's add another image to the foreground. Drag the image to the canvas and remove its background. Scale and position the image. Add additional image if you like and repeat the same steps. We will add background to our design. Go to Elements, then Frames, and select a frame you want. I'll choose Brush Stroke Frame, click on the frame you want and scale it. Make it big that it almost covers the entire design. Drag and drop a background image to the canvas. Drag and drop the background image inside the frame. This will create a clipping mask. Go to Position and drag the layer to the bottom. Add parental advisory graphic to the artwork to make it more like an album. Scale and position it at the bottom. To create a 3D gold text, go to textstudio.com. Click on Gold. Select a text effect you want. There are free versions on this, so we will choose the free one. I'll select this golden 3D text effect. Type on the text you want for the artwork. Click on Download and choose PNG Transparent. Use Upscale to upscale your image. It's a free AI image upscaler software and it's easy to use. Open Upscale and drag and drop the golden 3D text image to upload. Click on Upscale button to upscale. It will automatically save on your PC once done upscaling. Open Canva again and drag and drop the upscaled golden 3D text and remove its background. Click on Position to show the Layers panel and drag it on top of the bottom layer. Position and scale the image if needed. We will add filters to the artwork to make it more dramatic. Go to Share, click on Download. Make sure the file type is PNG and click on Transparent Background. Set size to max and click Download. This will save a transparent PNG file. Create a new page and place the transparent PNG file to the canvas. Scale to fit the canvas size. Click on Edit Image and click on Filters. There are tons of filters to choose from. I'll go with Eldar for this artwork. You can adjust the intensity by using the slider. Click on Share, then download and save the artwork as PNG with transparent background, and we're done.
Hey superstars, I'm excited to share some fantastic updates from our website that will actually transform how you order and design your prints. We've always focused on efficiency and ease, and to continue that tradition, we're introducing a brand new auto build tool on our gang sheet builder site. This tool is a game changer from our creative customers who want control over the designs, really quick inputs for their easy arrangement. With this new feature, you can customize your gang sheets exactly the way you want it, as quickly as you like. All right, we got it printed. Let's take a closer look. I gotta say how high quality this came out, especially it coming out from like Canva. It's really good. It's actually remarkably good. Don't get me wrong, it is gonna be a pretty heavy print, but it captures a lot already. And with our matte finish, I feel like it will still come out absolutely clean. So I'm excited. Let's get to the shirt. For today's blanks, we have a large black shirt. It is a Next Apparel brand with the model number of 3600. If you guys are interested in Next Apparel brands, then we'll put a link in the description below. For our heat press, we have our Heatmaster Prisma, a fan favorite for most of our videos. So it has a 16x20 layout, also a 10-inch pullout, and it has threading capabilities. So it makes it very easy for all of our videos and projects. So let's get started. All right, guys, let's get started here. We already have the lasers on and set to align this shirt properly. So usually with smaller designs, you would be waiting a good 15 seconds, but since we have something this big, you could really just go ahead and peel it already. All right, guys, it looks amazing. Coming it from Canva, like, this is really good. This is really good. And it feels nice. It doesn't feel that bad, actually. All right, guys, we showed you how easy Canva can be used on making any type of graphic, especially this one, and it looks great. We printed it out with DTF, then slapped it on the Next Apparel. Now we got a shirt that I honestly would see in some retail stores. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I enjoyed making it, and if you guys are looking for a DTF supplier or just trying to replace your existing one, definitely give us a chance. All right, well, that's it for me for now. If you guys saw value in this video, definitely leave a like and subscribe. And if you guys want to see more content like this, definitely leave a comment down below. Peace.